Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the calculator supports image files and file transfer. Most TI-84 and similar models work. Plug the USB cable into your computer and install the official transfer app, TI Connect, or an approved alternative. Next, pick the photos you want and resize them to your calculator's screen resolution, for example 160 x 120. This ensures they display correctly. Once done, convert to the calculator format with the converter tool so the device can read the image files without errors. Now convert each photo to the calculator's native format. Use the converter to create 8xi or 83p images, depending on your model, because raw JPGs often won't render. Open the transfer program, connect to the correct device, and drag the converted files into the destination memory. Pick RAM or archive according to how permanent you want them. Make sure to name files with short labels and group them into a picture viewer app or folder on the device so you can find and load photos quickly when you need them. Finally, open the calculator's picture or app viewer to verify photos display properly. Set one as a background if the OS supports it, and test navigation between images. Once satisfied, create a backup on your computer or in cloud storage so you can restore them if the calculator is reset. If something goes wrong, check the file format and resolution first, then free up memory or update the transfer software and firmware. These steps fix most failures and let you repeat the transfer cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.